welcome back to Wig Studio One. My name is Christi. I'm wigging with Christi. I'm one of the reviewers here for the Wig Studio One team. Today, I'm bringing you a review of a brand new piece by Gabor. This is called Ready For It. And this is in the color GF630 Copper Mahogany. Now, this is made with the true to life fibers. So this is heat-friendly fiber. Now, Wig Studio One sent me this wig to review for you, but this is my own thoughts and opinions. I just want to say thank you to Wig Studio One for the opportunity to review this new style for you. Down below is a link of how you can shop with Wig Studio One. Just expand the description box. You'll see links to shop, links to this wig, links to our Instagram page and our Facebook group and our Facebook page, as well as links to myself and our other reviewers with the Wig Studio One team. So this beautiful style is long, has some layers in here, but it has these waves. Beautiful like beach wave, loose wave curls that you've curled into your hair and relaxed. A very beautiful style. It has an extended lace front and a full monofilament top. I'll go ahead and show that to you when I show you inside the cap. Now I have not uncrisscrossed this, so let's uncrisscross this together. Now what I love about full monofilament tops is that you can part them any direction that you prefer. This is parted on the right side for me, and it came this way. It came on the right side, towards the right side. It was a little bit in the middle, but towards the right. So if yours arrives like that, it did come crisscross. At least mine did. Now you can see this one looks like it might have a little bit better of a parting there, and you can pluck this to make it a little bit more natural or use some concealer as well. You can brush through those fibers to soften the look or spritz some water and keep those a little bit more texturized. Let's go ahead and take a look at this lace front. They did a great job with bringing that 30 along in that hairline, which is that lighter color of the color blend. Great job on that there. It gets a little bit dense in here in the parting. Not too bad, but just I wish it was a little bit more natural parting all the way back there. But let's see. Very beautiful, kind of a blowout style. Could be worn for a wedding, a date night, or just an everyday look. It goes behind the ears good. Let's see here. I'm not wearing my earrings today. It does really go nicely behind the ears as well. Now for density, I would definitely say this is a medium density. There is permatease in this wig. There is even permatease up in this section here in the wefts, very lightly, and then it gradually gets more, and then it does have permatease along the nape. Now this is not an extended nape, and it does have permatease there in the nape as well to kind of give a lift off that. But there is definitely permatease in this long wig style. So just FYI, if you don't like permatease, you might not like this. However, I feel, and I see this a lot when I do some of these curly wavy styles, is that permatease is needed in here to kind of give it the lift and volume. And you can make this a lot voluminous. I really love the wave pattern of this. It's very on the trends, very modern look, like right out of a magazine. This is beautiful. And let's go ahead and do a spin. We'll take a look at this outside and we'll take a look inside the cap and do some final thoughts. Let's take a look at this color, Copper Mahogany. It's the GF630 Copper Mahogany, medium brown, evenly blended with medium auburn. Again, this is the true to life fibers with Gabor, and it is heat friendly, and you can use up to 260-degree temperature on these fibers. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside this cap. This cap construction is made with an extended lace front. So the lace front goes into the ear tabs, Has velvet felt ear tabs, has a full monofilament top, and it has wefted in the back and no extended nape. There is some permatease again in the sides, in the back section, and along the nape to give it the lift. All right, so what did you guys think of Ready For It? I love the name of the wig. It kind of makes sense, Ready For It. Literally take it out of the box, comb through it if you want, unpart it if you want, and you're ready for any event that is coming up. I do really like the style. Just wanted to again say that there's permatease on this style. It is heat friendly, so keep that in mind. You will need to apply heat to these fibers to maintain these fibers, okay? So to keep the softness of the fiber, you're going to need to apply heat. And when you do apply heat, these curls will not come back once you apply any heat to it. It will remember the last heat that's been applied. All right, so what did you guys think? Leave us a comment down below. Again, my name is Christy. I'm Wiggin with Christy. I'm one of the reviewers here. Down below is a link of how you can connect with me. We hope you have a great day and a blessed week. Bye.